Welcome back, guys, to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you what you should do to fix media upload problem on Snapchat. So go to your settings, find support and feedback, click on bugs and suggestions, click on make a suggestion, click on camera. Then how could we make Snapchat even better? Just type remove media upload from the latest update. Then choose a topic. And just submit your suggestion right here. This is the only way you can talk to Snapchat and ask them to make Snapchat great again. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope we fix that problem. The Snapchat fix the problem. Please like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment. Bye.